Hello, I'm Lucas from HAROGIC Technologies. Harmonics are unwanted components in signal processing. Too much harmonic distortion at the transmit output will interfere with signals in other frequency band. So it's necessary to check the harmonic components of the carrier signal to prevent interference with the other communication system that has the same operating frequency as the harmonic. The frequency of the harmonic components is several times the fundamental frequency, which is called a harmonic. For example, if the fundamental frequency is 50 Hz, then its second harmonic frequency is 100 Hz, and the third harmonic frequency is 150. Now, I will show you how to measure harmonic using PXE-200. A single tone signal with center frequency of 1 GHz and amplitude of 0 dBm is fed to PXE-200. Open SA Studio 4 software and set center frequency of the instrument as 1 GHz. Span as 10 MHz. VBW as 0.01 times RBW. Then press Peak Search. We can see the frequency of carrier wave is 1 GHz and the power is -1 dBm. If we want to know the information of second harmonic, set center frequency at 2 GHz. And press Peak Search. The power of the second harmonic is -65 dBm. Same for the third harmonic. The power of the third harmonic is -85 dBm. PXE-200 has a wide frequency range of 20 GHz. We can use multiply markers to observe various harmonics at the same time. Set start frequency at 900 MHz and stop frequency as 4 GHz. RBW as 100 kHz. Carrier signal and harmonics can be clearly observed at the same time. Press Peak Search. The Mark 1 is activated automatically. Then we can open Mark 2 and Mark 3 from the Mark setting menu. PXE-200 supports for 5 markers at the same time by default. Drag Mark 2 near the second harmonic and double-click to find the peak. Do the same with Mark 3 for the third harmonic. The measurement result of harmonics is displayed in the upper left corner of this screen.